Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in this tutorial, guess what? I'm going to be sharing with you guys how you can live stream without showing your face on YouTube. How is it possible? Sometimes when you're even going live on YouTube, and then even if there is a background noise or a sound or this or that, in fact, it's going to actually be interrupting your live on YouTube. But in this tutorial, I have something I'm going to be sharing with you guys how you can live stream without even showing your face. All you just have to do is to upload the video you wish to live stream, and then you're good to go with that. Then if there is any noise or anything, it's not actually going to be affecting it. So how can you be able to live stream on YouTube without showing your face or just playing the video you want to? Because this can actually help for faceless YouTube channels who wish to live stream without showing their faces and all of that. All right, so this is what we are going to do to get started. First thing first, I'd like you guys to please subscribe to my channel if you are new, and if you haven't also, well, please subscribe, turn on your notification, because in fact my next tutorial that I'm going to be dropping on YouTube, it's actually going to be helping all of you. See, like, we are going to be breaking YouTube algorithm. I'm going to show you how I broke it. So you guys should just stay updated by subscribing and turning on your notification, because that tutorial is going to be hot. Like, I mean hot. Okay, so let's continue what we have for today, which is how we can live stream without showing our face on YouTube. So I'm going to be opening a U tab. You can do also follow along so as you can get used to it. So now what we are going to be searching for is StreamYard. Now I believe most of you must have heard about StreamYard. Good. Now we are not just going to be using StreamYard. All right, so we are going to be starting with StreamYard. I'm going to be searching for StreamYard. This is it, StreamYard here. I'm going to open it. This is the website right here. When you open this, you'll find this the easiest way to live stream and record. Get started, it's free. I can just click on this, get started. It's free. We are not going to be paying for it. It's actually free. All right, so you are going to be signing up with your Google. This is it here, either your Google or with your email, whichever one. So I'm just going to be signing up with my Google. Signing up with Google is actually more easier because all you just have to do is to click on it and then select the email you wish to use, and then you are good to go with that. All right, so when you open something like this, then you'll find welcome. How did you discover StreamYard? It's now left for you to go ahead and select all of this in the way you wish to select it. All right, so I'm just going to be doing mine now. All right, so when you're done with that, it brings you right here. So this is welcome offer, upgrade to advanced plan for just $1. You can choose to continue or close it. Now, aside that, how can we now go ahead in starting our live streaming on YouTube? Now, this is live stream, this is recording, this is on air webinar. So we are going to be going for live stream, since that is what our tutorial is all about, live streaming. So I can click on live stream here. Then when I've selected my live stream here, then all I have to do is, do I want to live stream on studio or pre-recorded video? Now, this is what it means. If I'm to select my pre-recorded video, it is a video that I'm going to be selecting from my computer. All right. Why the studio is for you to actually go live, it's going to be showing your face. So I'm going to be clicking on pre-recorded video. Now, all you have to do is to select the video and then upload it on it, and then you can now go ahead and selecting the destination. This is it here. For you to add a new destination, click on the plus icon and then select which of the social media you want to use, either Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, hopping, and the rest of that. So because of I want to live stream on my YouTube, that's why I selected this YouTube and I have it here. Then you have the start time when you want your live stream to begin. You can also include a title, a description right here, and then your privacy to make it public or not. When you're done, you can now click on create live stream, and voila, you are good to go. All right, so this is what I'm going to be doing now. I'm going to be making this unlisted, and then I'm going to be scheduling it for the time now so that you are going to be seeing how it's going to be looking like. All right, so I actually scheduled this for the next few minutes, and then it's going to be showing me when it is all done. So now there's something you also take note of when you wish to add your thumbnail, which is you want to schedule an announcement. Then all you have to do is to come and click on this schedule an announcement, and then announcement post time when you want the announcement to begin. So now let's take for instance you want your live stream to start by or start in the next 1 hour. All you have to do is to schedule your live stream for 1 hour, and then you come over to your announcement post time and start it immediately so that the announcement can begin before the time, and then you can select the thumbnail to use for your live stream. And then when you're done with this, you can go ahead and click on create live stream. And then we are good to go. So I actually schedule this. Then in the next few minutes, I'll be coming back for you to see how it will look. All right, so if I have scheduled this, and then this is how it's going to be looking like. You see this, how to edit African folk stories pre-recorded. So I created this by 9:22 and then scheduled it for 9:25. So in the next few minutes, it's going to begin. Now you can be seeing everything from inside here. Yes, you can see everything from inside here. So if I should move over to my YouTube channel now, I'm going to be finding this. All right, so this is it right here. It has actually started live, and then see the time in here. That's actually started. So if I actually want to end this now, I'll come over to my end stream early and then. All right, so this is it right here. It has actually started. The live is unlisted. I can make it public and then I'm good to go. So this is just the process on how you can actually make your live streaming on YouTube. All right, guys. So this is all we have been able to discuss for today. How you can go live streaming on YouTube without showing your face. All right. So I'd like to see you guys in my upcoming video tutorial where I said I'm going to show you guys how I broke YouTube algorithm. But before that, to keep you guys busy, I would like you guys to go and check out this video I'm going to be uploading right after this video. And the video is how you can be able to create kids animated videos and upload them on YouTube. See you guys in my next video.